Why you running on? When we ain't gotta tell nobody gon' do your body like me.
What's up YouTube, it's your boy Candy. Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. And today, as you can tell by the title, we are doing a reaction video to Moneybagg Yo featuring the City Girls and the Baby. Said something. I thought a bro nigga said something.
You need to get your shit together because you look a mess.
I love JT part of the song. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. We're on the road to 2K. And also comment down below some videos you want me to react to, and I will do them. So let's hop into the video. It's the red suit for me. Come on, JT. Wish like Ray J. Pull up G-Wag 6'3". She better twerk. Nice with a new body.
Man, you niggas can't fuck with me, cause I came from the bottom, from the face to the shot. Broke bitches ain't saying a thing, period.
I tell her shut the fuck up when I hit it. Fucked up her hair, she just did. I'm really fucking around with this little boo on the
what? Come on, Gold.
When I drive, I'ma fuck with my ride. Had a handful of hair, I'm staring. I'm serious. She ripping off my mirror. She love to get in, she pull up on the pier. I thought somebody said that's your wifey, dog. Fuck everybody, don't like them all.
He has some clear skin.
Like a dog. I got this shit on, nigga, wipe me off. I hop out the backseat just like a boss. I two-toned the Maybach, my seat's Ronald Reagan. It came with a pillow, I came from the pavement. Thought somebody said I ain't made it. Go!
I thought a broke nigga said something. Run it up, run it up, run it up. I thought a broke nigga said something. You better come on with the yellow. Rich.
I thought a nigga who watch what I do, but he can't get his bitch back.
Say something.
Is it true that he posting another nigga money probably? I'll put that past him, maybe so. I thought a hoe that be speaking on me, but be fucking a broke nigga saying something. Listen, hold up, little bitch, get a nigga that's lit on the whole loaf. Eat a breadcrumb. Go, rappers with these mixed feelings, but I ain't fucking with them. Like a Richard Mille, let me know what time it is. Bad, what a run set. Know you got it on, you supposed to be smell proof. Busting out the back of seal. These niggas little boy, childish, Fisher Price. Confident, I'm not copy, so get it right. She bending over, but I want some head first. I don't even wanna know what the pussy like. Tripping too close to falling, so I'm ballin'. It's crazy, my up got shot, but I ain't callin'. Sight, slow up. I come around, niggas gon' put they hoe up. These bitches stay on my channel, yeah. Must've seen me on TV, yeah. It took me 6 hours to count a meal exactly. I'm accurate with the cheese.
Yeah.
Big bag, what?
I thought a broke nigga said something.
Shit, but they still ain't saying. They saying don't trap this bitch out to the fans.
Run it up, run it up, run it.
What she say?
I thought a pussy hoe said something.
I go when I'm talking, you listen. Chill it, cut her off, cause she spoke on the business. Go.
That music video was really good. If you know me personally, I really don't like rap music like that at all. It's only a few rappers that I like. But I'm very picky about my music. I go based off feeling.
Bitch, shut your duck neck ass up. Stupid ass bitch. Go hit yourself in the back of the head with a fucking frying pan in your goddamn kitchen, you stupid bitch.
And if I can relate to it, or if it's just a bop and I like the beat.
Get the fuck up out of here with that bullshit. Get off the motherfucking mic.
This song is good. I love JT part. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. And I will see you guys for the next video. Peace.